Day 5 of my daily 11:11 a.m. Eastern meditations that I'm doing with you, not just for you, but for my own sanity. 3 kids are at home learning. I won't call it schooling because I can't teach worth a lick. I'm trying to work and do video conferencing calls, and I'm telling you, I need these live meditations like I need corn pop cereal. And if you knew how much I love corn pop cereal, you would understand the enormity of this need for this connection. So today's meditation, I'm kicking it old school, and I'm going to be doing a meditation for anxiety for you all. Again, grounding, centering, getting back to what's true in the moment. Before I do that, I'll introduce myself because you're like, if you haven't ever seen me before, you're like, who is this totally off the chain lady trying to teach me how to be peaceful and calm? I'm Rebekah Borucki. I'm a mother of 5. Yes, I am a mother of 5. My oldest is a senior in college and my youngest is in kindergarten. I am a meditation guide. I am the author of 4 books. Next book for children on the way soon. And I'm just doing these meditations to try to, I do them a lot, but I'm just doing these right now, this series of daily free meditations to try to help us all just get through this crisis, this this hopefully once in a lifetime crisis. Yeah, I'm recording this during the COVID-19 world shutdown. So hello, Deanna. Deanna is my, oh my gosh, she's so much more than my makeup artist. She does she does my hair and makeup, sometimes hair, but mostly makeup for my photo shoots, and she's just a genius. Sorry, I did fill in my brows a little bit, but I'm repping without makeup for these meditations. All right. Let's get started. Let's get started. Always grateful. Always grateful to be here. All right, y'all. I want you to settle into that easy and comfortable seat. Just settle in on your couch, on your sofa. Those are the same thing. In bed, on the floor, on a pillow, whatever works for you. You don't have to have your legs crossed. You don't have to be uncomfortable for this. I want you to sit in a way that just feels easy. It just feels easy. Close your eyes if that feels safe. If it doesn't, go ahead and keep them open, but gazing softly at an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor, right past the tip of your nose. Your hands can be placed downturned on your knees or your thighs or upturned to receive the energy around you. If you are feeling particularly anxious right now, particularly sensitive to outside stimuli, just keep those hands down to seal in your energy to protect your space. And start to bring your attention to your breath. Your natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Do not try to change a thing. Meditation is not work. It is ease. It is comfort. It is safety. So just watch those breaths as they enter in through your nose, pass down the back of your throat, filling your chest, your belly, resting in your seat. Just watch your breath as it goes in and exits out. Maybe place one hand over your heart, one hand over your belly, as cues to relax into your seat. Let your belly be round and soft. Feel your chest rise and fall. Locate your heartbeat. Here is a really good time to express gratitude, to acknowledge that, yes, my heart is beating, my breath is full and strong, I am here, I am alive, and in this moment, I am choosing me. Let's say that again, together, silently or out loud. In this moment, I'm choosing me. Take a big inhale and exhale. In this moment, I am choosing me. Ooh, that felt good. Let's do it again. Inhale. In this moment, I am choosing me. One more time. In this moment, I am choosing me. You see, mantra, affirmations, repeating positive words to ourselves does a couple things. One, it's a chance to say something nice, to change the narrative. It also allows us to focus on the words that we're saying in the moment instead of the thoughts that are racing through our heads. Mantra is a distraction and it's a nourishment. It's like eating healthy popcorn. No butter, just sea salt and olive oil. Mantras are sea salt and olive oil popcorn. They taste good and they're good for you. And they're better than all those peanut M&Ms. I'd love some peanut M&Ms right now. All right, if I've carried you away with my words or your thoughts have carried you away, go ahead and bring your attention back to your breath in this moment. You're going to notice that it's deeper, longer, smoother, more relaxed. You're going to notice that being still isn't so hard at all. You've been doing it for a few minutes now. You can do it anytime. Now I want to go over what we've learned here together today and show you how easy it is to take control in a situation when you're feeling anxious, afraid, out of control, overwhelmed. You can sit. You can breathe. You can feel your heartbeat and your breath and express gratitude. You can choose yourself. You can choose yourself, if even for a couple minutes before you have to go back to taking care of others, managing the expectations and the needs of others. You can choose yourself at any time, many times a day, to center, to reset, to prepare yourself for the next moment. You can choose yourself. I can choose myself. I can choose myself. I can choose myself. If your hands are on your lap, go ahead and place them back on your heart and your belly, or two hands over your heart space if that feels better. Allow yourself to acknowledge that your hands are offering you protection in this moment, protection for your heart space. You are sealing in the words and the feelings of your practice. Acknowledge what you're feeling right now and know that you can return to this state of peace and calm and gratitude at any time, wherever you are. Feel your hands over your heart. Protection from the outside. Feel your heartbeat. Acknowledgement of life force and vitality from the inside. Notice your breath. The chance to begin again, every inhale and exhale, a new moment, a new start. Slowly lower your hands to your lap. Tilt your head down just a bit. If your eyes are open, you can start to focus your gaze. If they're closed, with your next inhale and exhale, start to flutter them open. There's so many of you. Hello, hello. I'm going to use this opportunity to invite you to leave your requests, your comments, your feedback, your hellos. Tell me how you're feeling. Tell me where you're from. All in the comments. Whether you're watching live or in replay, I read them all. Whew. Also follow the links in the video description to join my private Facebook community where we're talking about all the things fun and happy and big and scary. We're doing it all, and we're nurturing and nourishing and holding each other in compassion and non-judgment every single day. Don't judge me for messing up saying judgments. I say this at the end of every video. I want to thank you for showing up for me today, because it inspires and compels me to show up for you. This community, these meditations, this interaction, all of this is my medicine. It is my medicine. And I affirm 3 times to really seal it in my gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And my admiration and adoration for you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hello, Andrew. Hello, Carol. Hello, Jerry, and everyone else that's joined me today. I will see you tomorrow with another meditation to make you feel juicy and good. I got to go back to home learning with the kids.